go to the
I fix one thing and it messes up another.
This is why we practice. Yep, moving a little too fast. If you can, use a pinky on the table.
Yeah.
That's what I do. I do pinkies. A little slower. There you go.
Okay.
No, that's much better.
It's wide enough, but it's real,
Yeah, it's real tight.
It's real tight.
yeah, real tight.
That's okay. That's okay. The other ones were too tight.
Yeah.
And then this one was loose.
Slowing down a bit.
Yeah, keep slowing down. If you need to, think of a good song. Really good. Stay on it. That's a good groove. You're almost done. There you go. Yeah, that was really nice. Yeah. It was long too.
Yeah.
That's important. We don't need to be doing half-inch welds. Alright, the camera ladies. Quick practice with you, but I'm not going to hang on. See that tip? There's what we're going to do. I do it a different way. This is usually what I do. Keep my hand so that it's going to just be supporting throttle basically, and this is steering. And then when I come down here, it's just like that. And that's how I'm able to keep my tempo when the beat is closer if you were.
Well, I was trying to record and it auto darkened on me, and I was like, God, I hope I'm pointing at her.
Oh, that's even funnier. That you tried to watch the camera through the welding glass. A little closer.
Oh, shoot.
Get closer. There you go. A little closer. Now listen for the noise.
You can break it off.
That's the idea, baby. Go. Slower. Man, we forgot you were here.
I thought he was taking a shit.
They're good walls, man. Really absorbent. Uh-huh. Because Rafa works at a hospital.
Oh, that's difficult.
Uh-huh, especially if you're not touching something.
I was trying to.
Yeah, you're doing great.
Hard to focus.
Oh, no, and you got to do it upside down sometimes.
Sure.
Seriously.
Oh, good shit.
Yeah, in the water. That's the crazy one. There you go. You're getting started. Yeah. 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 We did it with paper and pen. Oh yeah, here.
I use one hand.
All right.
Can't burn this one.
He's like, a cat burned that one. Don't ask me how the cat learned how to use a lighter.
Well, the second hand is just a steady result, so it's all how you feel.
Yeah. You know, I got sugar problems. He said, get on my other left. Heck yeah, even when you're messing with it. Hers is in the kitchen.
You can do U's too, or even just sideways like that. Zigzags. They'll give you different patterns though. Usually circular second pattern.
Common.
Let's try a flat one right now.
Tell her I'm sorry. Yeah. Make it uniform. You'll hear it.
This arm is not moving.
No, you're not supposed to move that arm. You really, whenever you set up, you kind of want to do the motion through it, make sure you have enough room, and then start.
Ah, something I never did.
Try the other step.
She said.
That's not true.
She said, do you need a pill? Is there a pill for that? Oh my god.
With all your cheeses and meat.
Oh, that's awesome. Coochie coo.
I'm going for it.
Right.
I think I am.
Stack them a little closer. See where can you see the very tip?
Yeah.
From that angle?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, you're going a little too far away. See how they look like totally separate circles? Yeah, you want to keep them a little more scrunched up, closer together.
Right. One with
a logo?
Yeah, that's no problem. Went over to the table. It's like,
You'll see the boot burn smoother whenever
it's off now.
Yeah.
This doesn't look bad at
You
all.
love this smell, don't you?
I don't know if it's the smell or all of it.
I love TIG smell.
Yeah, it's a different smell. This smells more like garbage.
Yeah. You're burning dirty metal, so
Yeah.
that's part of it. But
Clean metal, TIG surface.
Alright, go for it.
Somebody needs to.
I told him, you just want free labor.
Shit, I don't even know what I'm.
Trading him?
Yes, we're trying to trade. Baby girl, it's time for you to stop making t-shirts and start making swingers. We already got customers that are like, I want the girl's fork. Remember that? I've had a couple people go, I want Cassie's fork. Is she still doing forks?
they were being dirty or something. Fucking salad fish. She used to keep.
Why do you want to attain it? Because the very fact that you're wanting to attain it is the
Good
only
memories.
Yeah, you can tell whenever you get it.
It smells like shit.
That's good. Don't ever walk in on you.
It'd be like me, I wear flip-flops. Yeah, I wear 3 pairs of shirts,
I know, he goes
the wrong hat.
close to the shoe. I'm like, where's your?
There's the left.
His feet, he lost the first 12. Those are fucking calluses. Those are complete calluses.
I call him Hobby.
Mm,
Okay, I'm going for it.
Don't make fun of my 13 and a half wides.
Still playing the high part of the game. Still, as it were, the self, pretending it's not yourself. That's what you want to do. So you see, in that way,
Keep
you're
going.
already there. When you understand this, the funny thing happens. And some people misinterpret it. You will discover as this happens that the distinction between voluntary and involuntary behavior disappears.
Fantastic.
Farther away.
Now you're getting it though. See how you started from the bottom plate?
Yeah.
You will realize
Yeah, you
that
can see where you kind of just started picking it
what
up
you
and then
describe
kept
as
it there.
things under your
And then
own
that was
will
the sweet spot, but then you ran out of angle. You ran out of elbow, I guess.
No, I just got farther away.
feel
Oh, you walked
exactly
too
the
far
same
away
as
from
things
it.
going on outside.
That is pretty long.
You watch other people moving and you know you're
All
doing
right.
that.
It's addictive, isn't it?
Moving and you know you're doing that.
Yeah, what do you think about it?
Just like you're breathing
Oh, yeah, you're giggling.
or circulating your
I've
blood.
been wanting to for a long time.
If you don't understand what's going on,
Well,
you're
sweetheart,
about to get crazy at this
I'm
point.
glad to help if I can. Especially if it's a free birthday present.
2 for 1.
Decent.
And if you want it to look,
Actually
since
have
you're
power
on a different setup, you can do to kind of trick it. You start from this side and go that
And
way.
then feed it in, yeah.
Pushing your puddle deeper so it doesn't, it's not as heavy. You can kind of,
You want to try pushing the puddle?
yeah, you can go from right to right.
It's like pushing rope.
And a lot of people feel that and they go,
Twizzler.
Don't you know I'm on a no sugar thing, Royce? We don't discuss those.
that's it, they got the word. They haven't been able to. This experience happens to them, but they don't know how to do it.
Tighter.
So be careful of that. You're called inflation. Yes. The holy man syndrome.
Keep that angle.
I suddenly discovered that I am the Lord and I'm above good and evil and so on. Therefore I start giving myself airs and graces. But the point is everybody else. You discover that you're that.
Yeah.
You ought to know that everybody else.
This might improve our sex life. Good tempo.
That's where you were like a little wider.
Yeah.
I was like, okay.
I know, right?
Seen that double
Elbow.
How in other ways.
Just use double
No, trailer track.
No, it's because he lives in a trailer in Pasadena and it's a double wide. It's trailer H because they don't give you numbers. It's just gotta have levers.
See the concept that you are
Jesus Christ! That's unit J.
and that behind the eye.
By the way, it's hot metal, so we'll keep up with you. Proud of you girls. Great job. Who's next?
But behind the eyes, there seems to be something that has no
Yes.
color.
Go again, birthday girl.
Dark.
Take this one so
light.
she can.
It's there from a
Uh-huh.
tactile
I took my paper
standpoint.
towel.
You feel it in your fingers, although you don't get it.
Did you even sweat? I'm like, what's it like? People don't. I'm sweating now. I got a fan in my leg. I'm like soaking up air. I'm still sweating.
It's not the metal burn.
When you look out there and
Yeah.
see these people,
Don't worry, I doused it with holy water before. Oh, that's
It's
why.
That's what it's
That's the demon.
the color of this room
Beelzebub.
is back here in the
Glover.
where the optical nerve is in the back of the head.
Hey, girlfriend. You want to use these? Those are too big. You still got
What
those
you see
gauntlets?
out here is a neurological experience.
Gloves?
Yes,
Now,
I'm
if that
sorry,
is-
I'm selfish, bitch.
And you
Sit
feel
dirty selfish
sensuous
bitch, too. Look
that
at her.
so. You may think
Look
that
at
then therefore the
Look,
external
look
world
at that.
is inside my
No,
mouth.
she likes to touch her face, so she's got a bunch of black spots.
You've got to correct that.
She could tell she was thinking.
Thought that your skull is also in the external world.
As soon as you handed me the welding stick, my nose
Nothing against
itched.
you,
Of
no.
course.
Wow,
That's
what
how it
kind of
goes.
situation is this? It's inside me, and I'm inside
Uh-huh.
it, and it's inside me, and I'm inside it. But that's
Yeah,
the way it
it's-
is.
I forget.
This is
Alright.
what you
exciting.
Transaction.
It's all very
rather than
exciting.
interaction between the individual and the world. Just like, for example, in buying and selling, there cannot be an act of buying unless it's simultaneously an act of selling, and vice versa. So the relationship between the organism and the environment is transactional. The environment grows the organism, and in turn the organism creates the environment. The organism turns the sun into light, but it requires there to be an environment
welding,
containing
don't stop.
for there to be an organism at all. And the answer to it is simply they're all one process. And it isn't that organisms by chance came into this world. Put it rather that this world is the sort
Heck
of
yeah.
environment which grows organisms.
It's like more like this
It
single
was that way from the beginning.
B. Yeah.
bigger circles
Same
will
way,
make it look
the organisms
more,
may, in
let's
time,
see more of
have
the
arrived
ridges
in the
Yeah.
scene.
they're too
or
tight, so
out
it's making
of
it just
the
look like a big blob of
later
melted,
than the beginning of the
metal.
scene.
Yeah.
So if you do the circles just a little bigger, it gives the metal time to cool off.
Cool
and
off
overlap.
and and
Okay,
shrink a
okay.
little bit.
I'll find it.
And don't forget
Speed
your
and
angle.
everything, just work on bigger circles.
Yeah, you're doing great.
I don't know why. I keep
That was
trying to go
beautiful.
You see how you're getting.
Walked into 3 walls on my way
You see
over
the
here. There
ridges
was only
better.
2 to walk
You
into.
see
Yeah.
the overlap better. That's the way you want it.
up. Okay.
Yeah, that was really nice.
So it's getting better.
Yeah, it's the idea.
If you want, you can put it right next to it. That way you can keep it. Try and keep it.
That way you can see the line, yeah. And then try to make sure it's straight. A little slower.
Going too fast.
Yeah, just a tiny
A
bit.
little too fast, but that's good.
Yeah.
See how you're still seeing there?
Yeah.
I guess there was the pickup beat and hop on it, and then she just kind of double beat it. Waiting. Boom. 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 Boom.
You gonna be here much longer? From the man
Uh-huh.
cheating on you.
Uh-huh. That's why your driver's license was at the hotel my mom stays at. On the very same day that you had the dog sit.
Listen, like, I may have met him there before. You were with me. We were going to see your mom to give her something, and he was in the parking lot, and you were talking to your mom and such.
Look, I was high. I don't know what you're talking about.
Keep it wide. Not that big, but that motion.
Yeah, my hand was getting hot. Me
Girl.
Girls actually well better.
Girls weld awesome, actually. My mom was a welder. I like this. Oh, and she stopped.
That's fine.
Yeah, you like to do it in short, controlled bursts.
too. I like to see like what I'm doing wrong and then try to fix it, and I think I'm
Now you're good.
Yeah, you just got to push through and then keep going so that you can feel that memory, that
Just work
muscle
on
memory,
Straight line.
Yeah.
Paying attention to where you left. And
instead of what you just did. Or what your friends are going to think of your welds.
Hold on.
Deep and wide.
I'm getting kicked in the bladder.
Oh,
Oh, the little one said, "Mm, I want to
Probably get
weld."
hot.
Yeah.
You're getting warm, huh?
Warm in there. Like, what the fuck is going on?
It usually doesn't get warm like this for another 2 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
You kicked me and like jolted it a little bit. Like, ah.
Oh
You
my,
you can do a little wider stance. That way you're not so like it's hours.
yeah, the horse stance,
They're trained, they're trained.
the giving birth stance.
Wrong. You begin to notice that there are some you either have great support or great fear.
Why'd you stop?
I don't know.
Oh, is there?
Oh,
No,
was
the
it?
tip of the little sparks fell off.
Oh.
Oh yeah,
They
the
build up after every weld. You kind of want to
Tap it, yeah.
Going like that, getting all that junk out of there.
slag. That's the name of the word, slag. You're almost out of room there, little
You
lady.
barely see the lines. It's already the plate's already really hot, so make bigger circles. Yeah, bigger circles. It'll let give it time to cool off, and it'll look.
Right.
That just concentrate on your circles now. Slow mo circles. That's pretty much the gist of that.
Have imagination. They're not hiding under an attempt to conform to the ideal of being ordinary. And the artistic.
That was really good. That was really good.
The artistic.
I'm doing it bigger, but there's still
Yeah, that's good. I mean,
You're penetrating because
what
the
are you
metal's
trying to
hot.
accomplish?
Yeah.
That's good.
That's
These are,
really
these
good.
are shorter. These are smaller.
Yeah.
But look at you can see your overlap better.
Yeah.
That's what you want.
Yeah, I'd give that an A for the day. Really would. I mean, you did great, Cass.
You know who I am.
They're not on edge.
If you really want to get technical, watch videos like this. That'll show you real nice with the camera with the correct angle. Nice and close. You will actually see it better than a freaking home.
How you feel, Cass?
Pretty good.
Warm.
Yeah.
You want to take a break? It's addictive, isn't it?
Well, actually, I'm out of room too. I gotta drink water.
Yeah. You're almost out of room, yeah? Let it cool down. It's getting so hot it's bowed.
Yeah, it'll start getting on the side to the
Uh-huh.
dig into the metal. And they'll start looking like blobs.
That's all you're going to get out of Royce.
Yeah, you can weld. You can weld up these holes.
Yeah. I don't need those. They're not important at all.
You can weld up these holes.
I need that actually. All the coolant pours right out of this table.
This is fucking sifter. It's cake sifter.
Yeah, this is so I can collect
All of
nuts
these
and
holes.
bolts. Oh, yeah, start with these training sheets first.
Those are the rigid
We're gonna
toilet
practice
paper.
our welding.
Yeah.
Rigid toilet paper.
Now there are people like that. And all these are the great spontaneous virtues that cannot be contrived. Because this thing can only come in the process of growth.
You got too short. Looks better.
Heck yeah.
It's too short. You wanna show
I like those last 10 that you did.
So you say, well, do I have to wait?
Oh, yeah.
But the whole thing is in the waiting. I don't mean the virtue of patience. I mean waiting when there is nothing to do. There is nothing to do. Then,
That's music.
but it won't be hurried.
And the tempo too. The tempo makes them pretty. Yeah.
Like, instead of going just like that real tight, yeah, do it like that, make it a little longer. I mean, you want to go wide too because you don't want it to look like that, real narrow. You want the edges bigger. Pretty much, yeah.
That introduces one thing that stops it. The miracle magic thing is happening all the time. But you can't see it when you're trying to get it. You'll never see it when you're trying to get it.
Like the end of your line. That was.
You get what I'm saying? That looks good.
Yeah, and you're
When I
making
say
music.
longer, I mean that way. Because you got up and down good.
Yeah, now you need to get your horizontal.
Yeah. Pretty much like you were saying. But you want to keep top and bottom.
Yeah, that's what when I saw you
Yeah.
do it, I was like, oh, he's going to be up higher.
But not just up higher. You want to keep
He's
it
also
longer.
doing it. Yeah, it's almost oval.
Instead of overlapping your circles like this, overlapping like that. More of a distance. Like I said, it'll give it time.
Happy birthday, girl.
Gracias.
Here's a broom. I need you to dust, clean up. All right. Cool. While we're doing that,
Let's not get
yeah, it's not getting clean. I'll just turn the lights off now.
moving the duster.
I'll just move the dust around.
Yeah, it's about 15, 18 bucks an hour.
Yep. Here, take this one.
How long have we been here?
Exactly. And how much did the boss make? How much does the company waste? While the employees take all the fucking tools out?
We won't discuss that.
This is exactly what management looks like.
Not that ugly.
Won't stop.
Like a boss. Boss.
Won't stop.
The one you started off with?
The one you started off with,
I think it was this one.
no, that was hers, I think.
Was it?
The one you started off low. No, that's what she started. These are hers. No, that one's yours. These are hers.
Coming. It's coming.
Yeah, she did, yeah. See the difference?
Yeah, the consistency.
Well, why did these people all do it?
It's starting to be prettier every time. It's more consistent.
Cool. Now I'm going to show you how a cutoff wheel works. We got to cut all this metal back off and make it like normal. We'll do that for your next birthday. Did you hear that? We got her hot. Good birthday. Wow, you should not tell the kids this story. They are not going to understand what really happened. Happy birthday, sis. Happy birthday, sis.